Hello student, the question from puzzle, missing character. So first we have to find the logic here. So what we can do here, it is the largest number, so we can apply the logic like square. If we are doing like 16, 9, not possible. 16 plus 7. Okay, yes, this is possible. So we can do like that, 3 cube and 4 square. 3 cube plus 4 square is 3 cube is 27 plus 4 square is 16. So the addition is 43, means 6 cube and this 5 square. 216 plus 25. So here it is 241. So same way, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8 plus 11 square is 121. So the answer is 129. So we will go with this D option. I think it is clear to everyone. This type of pattern asked in SSC as well as in the Infosys. In the Infosys, it's a mandatory section for the puzzle and you have to clear that section. So this type of puzzles asked in a Infosys examination. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.